there, John, which you would have experienced as well, is the wind is higher, you know, stronger than it was in FP4, and the direction it's going is side on the back straight. And you know how they, when the front lifts off the ground, and you know what happens.
Exactly, Simon. I mean, crosswinds can be so bad in the circuit. Just looking outside right now, the wind is blowing quite hard. The trees are blowing really, really hard. So that crosswind, especially if you just get the bike a little bit out of shape going at that speed, and the crosswind hits you, it'll set it off, just like we saw.
Yeah, Jack Miller said yesterday, actually, crosswinds, he nearly lost the front on a number of occasions there today. We're now riding with Jack Miller, who is in line for a front row start here.
Q2 session that a man who's 1.4 seconds off pole is still on the front row. There's Marquez then back in now. So two old enemies, Marquez and Valentino Rossi. This is Lorenzo in the break of turn 12 on board with Marquez. Lost time in that second split.
And again, wrestling that Repsol Honda down the back straight as well. Let's keep an eye on Rossi's second split time.
This would be something else for Valentino Rossi to take the pole glory away from Marquez. This is Marquez in Honda's backyard. He's lost time in that second sector. Still a personal best second split. For Rossi, it's going to consolidate his place on that front row.
Well, John mentioned earlier, when you've got confidence, it can make a tremendous difference. And that podium in Argentina is all that Valentino Rossi needed. The confidence, the body language from Valentino, just hearing in Kota, it's like he's 20 again.
Exactly, like I said, riding it with confidence is such a huge boost. It can be such a favorable thing to ride that confidence, and it can make such a difference to your lap time.
Lorenzo's got in the second row in 6th place. Alex Rins is a man potentially on the move. Fifth at the moment, the Suzuki man. He's on course right now to potentially depose Jack Miller off that front row. Here is Alex Rins, the said Spaniard. Over the line in coach. Has he got that front row? He has. 2:04.54.
Well, that's exactly what he needed. Rossi improved his time. He made a lot of time up in that final sector.
He made good on his word, didn't he? Pre-weekend, Alex Rins, to push himself and the Suzuki closer to the edge, close to the limit qualifying.
Alfonso's mighty close here to a front row challenge across the line for him. He goes up into third, then he nudges Jack Miller. Carlos Sparbo's going well. Shout out to KTM, fifth at the moment.
Marquez is improving again. Second and first.
Alfonso looks up to the screen. He's rolled out. Third is the best he can hope for. Marquez leaving nothing to chance. And Alex Rins is up in sector 1. Now, Alex Rins, man, to my knowledge, other than maybe the final round in Valencia, he's not been on the front row too many times.
He's only ever had that one front row start, and that was at the back end of last year. That's pole position, Steve. Right here in Texas, 3 years to go. Pecco Bagnaia to the Q2 to forget. Disaster for the Italian. Crash at turn number 11, and there it is, the frustrated Italian then. He's down at turn 1 as well. So he will start 12th place on the grid.
The lap's gone away from Alex Rins. He's down by 6/10 in sector 2. So, the only rider that could really challenge them, what about Maverick Vinales? Now he's half a second down. We're on board with him now.
It's going to be the Magnificent Seven in cowboy country, isn't it, for Marc Marquez?
It's good to see Rossi up there on the front row, considering he's the race day man and always comes through on Sunday, even if he's starting from the third or fourth row. So, see him starting from the front row, maybe he can take the fight to Marquez tomorrow.
He'd definitely take the podium. Marc Marquez then takes the checkered flag. Doesn't look like anyone's challenging him.
And Crutchlow's jacked the front row right at the end of that. Alex Rins can't fight back. What about Jack Miller and Maverick Vinales? They're on half-decent laps, but Cam Crutchlow.
Yeah, well, Alex Rins has dropped all the way down to 6th now. It could get worse here. Maverick Vinales round turn 20 here in Austin. Cross the line then. And he goes now into 6th place. Knocks Rins onto the third row. Jack Miller just missing out. What about Fabio Quartararo? He's going to start from 9th. That's not bad at all from the French rookie, and that's your lot. It is pole, number 7 for Marc Marquez.
Yeah, Quartararo, top rookie, out qualifying his Petronas Yamaha teammate Franco Morbidelli again. Job done then for this man. Marc Marquez, was it ever really any doubt? Pol Espargaro, you've got to give him an enormous amount of credit. 5th place, middle of the 2nd row of the grid on the factory KTM.
That's a great qualifying position for the factory KTM, Paul. That's a job well done.
Best ever qualified.
Yeah.